I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Google Maps. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Google Maps and you will click in this window. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.